Yeah, so we're taking a look at the premium Barbie Corvette C8. This is like the track version. Honestly, I don't know. I got this off of AliExpress like a long time ago, and it's still pretty cheap. Very good retail price, and still stickers are on here, but I don't care because I opened these anyways. Still pretty good price, and I'm gatekeeping. So the Barbie 65th anniversary C8R, which is like the sports version, I guess. And so I just cracked this open. Something I've noticed they've done. Okay, I like the background. Pretty cool. Girly car, but like pretty sick. I hate it. It's very disgusting. I hate when that happens. But yeah, car, background if you need it, backside. So let's take a look at it. There it is. Alright, let's take a look at this car, give it a little dissection, take a look at what it is. Very nice hot pink color. Whoa. And I don't know what's up with like the highlighter tire color, very cool still. Love the Barbie livery all over it. They got the little Barbie logo on the side, Barbie on top. And this car's got some weight to it. Love the wheels. Good wheel choice. The back is very nice with the tampos. I think they did a pretty good job with this. Love the skirts all over this car. Little Corvette logo on top right here. See that? I don't know if you can. So the headlights are like kind of the same. These like make it like out of plastic, which is pretty cool. I like when I did that. Better. I'd say the tampos are a little better, but still pretty cool. Little cost savings. But yeah, the logo right there. Corvette, got the little Barbie logo on the front, goes down the car and on the side. 59, I don't know what 59 means. Really, I don't really know. But something I've noticed that the plastic they're using is different. It got these like cornered edges. I don't know what's up with that recently, but still, pretty cool, awesome car. Definitely got some weight to it. Love me some premiums. The bottom's all black, finishing that nice coat. Let's take a look at the wheels, like beautiful. Give it a little roll. And you already know that the rolling on this thing is so clean. Oh my god. I love premium. I just love premium castings. They're so heavy, you know, they're much better than the main lines. Beautiful car, look at that. Oh, I didn't even notice this Barbie on the side too. Yeah guys, that's all I have to say about this casting, and yeah. I will catch you later. Have a nice one, see ya. Give it a little spin.